Hey everybody, Scott here. I wanted to show you this razor blade scraper tool that I was sent to provide my feedback. So we'll go ahead and take it out of the box here. Got everything out of the box. So it does come with two scrapers. A couple cool features of this. So it does have kind of like a silicone handle here that you can grip onto, and then both of them have a protective cover for the blade. So you got to pull that off, and then if when you're done using it, you can put it back on. The blades did come pre-installed, and then to help hold the blade in, you've got this little nut and bolt right here that you screw in. So the nut goes on that side, and then you want to hold the nut in there as you screw this on, and then it helps hold the blade in there tight for when you're using it. And then to get the blade out, you'll loosen this up, take it off, and then it lifts up a little bit, and you just slide the blade out there. So kind of a cool feature, safety feature to help keep the blade in. And then you've got the cover, like I said, to protect it when you're done. So that's it. You got this bag here of 30 razor blades, of flat razor blades. You do need to take this protective cardboard off before you use it, so be careful when you do that. But that's pretty much it. These are the same on both sides. So like I said, the nut fits in there, and then you'll tighten this on the other side to help hold the blade in. And then if you want to string these or hang them somewhere, you've got these holes right here. So but one last cool feature of this, if you do have this cover off to extend the handle here a little bit, you can put this on top, and also kind of helps you so you don't lose it, as you can see there.